Another phonics lesson. This week we are going to be learning another new sound. So let's get started. So this is an umbrella. 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 And the sound we hear when we say umbrella is And looks like this. Well done. So we're going to try and think of words that have the sound. Upset. Upset. Upset has the sound. We can hear when we say upset. Upset. Well done. Unlock. Unlock. We can unlock the door. Unlock. Unlock has the sound we can hear. Well done. Under. Well done. Under. The ball is under the table. Under. Well done. The last one. Up. Up. Up has the sound. So we have upset, unlock, under, and up. Well done. So now we're going to play a little game. And when you see this letter or this sound, you're going to say But when you see the pictures, you have to try and tell me. Okay, are you ready? Good. Well done. Good. Unlock. Up. Well done. Excellent. Good. Upset. Upset. Excellent. Well done. Everybody give yourself a clap. Well done. That's another phonics lesson finished for today. See you soon. Bye-bye.